The Air India duty manager Hina Sukumar has come out and said that he was spoken to in the most vile manner. There was a high-handedness at display and he was also beaten up.
Well, absolutely, and this is the copy of the complaint, in fact, that has been submitted by Mr. Sukumar, who is the duty manager of Air India, who was, of course, beaten up badly by this Shiv Sena MP Ravindra Gaikwad inside the aircraft. And we have accessed this copy. It gives all the details as to what exactly happened inside the aircraft. And very clearly, he has written that this flight number AI852 coming from Pune to Delhi, it arrived in the national capital around 9:35 a.m. this morning, and further it was supposed to go to another location. Then around 115 passengers were waiting to board this flight to go to the next destination, but he clearly goes on to say that Mr. Ravindra Gaikwad, one passenger who just refused to come out of the aircraft, refused to come out of the aircraft, and this passenger, of course, when the crew members inside the aircraft, they told him that you need to come out of the aircraft, we need to start the cleaning process because this flight has to go to the different location, and there are 115 passengers who are waiting to board this particular flight. That, of course, the duty manager had to be called in because the crew members inside the aircraft couldn't handle this entire issue. And very clearly, Mr. Sukumar, in his complaint to Air India, and we are now being told that an FIR has also been filed in this case, has clearly said that, Mr. Gaikwad actually asked that, he wanted the top management to come inside the aircraft and explain to him that why there was no business class in this particular flight. He was carrying an open ticket of the business class, so he could actually fly in at any time, which had perhaps the business class option available. His PA was made aware of this fact that this flight only had economy class available, so he had an option to come out of it if he was adamant on flying business class, to which, of course, the duty manager, Mr. Sukumar, said that it is not possible and we need to further clean this aircraft so that 115 passengers who are waiting outside, they can board this flight and it can go ahead from here on. On saying this, he became very abusive and used foul language and abused me with all the bad words and adjectives in Hindi. That is something which Mr. Sukumar is saying in this complaint that has been submitted to Air India, and an FIR has been filed as well. We are being told that Civil Aviation Ministry has also asked for a report, and shortly from now a report is going to be submitted to Ministry of Civil Aviation as well. Mr. Sukumar has also written in this case that, he was not only, this person not only broke his specs, he tore away the buttons of his cardigan and was badly humiliated in front of the crew members, the security staff and the cleaners. This is the complaint, in fact, that has been submitted to Air India. Now,
This is the complaint.